This is part of the effects of the floods which occurred in Buea as a result of the heavy downpour on Saturday afternoon.
When we're growing up here, when we're born here, when water is coming, even when sun is shining, you just feel the flame as it's coming with force. That's the same scenario of yesterday, but one of yesterday was too high. It scared people away, and we have never seen. If you see the disaster it caused here, it has never happened like this.
The uninvited guests that swept in yesterday separated some eternally from their loved ones.
Full of water, one go down, one climb for hand, meet up house door, broke so carry all them. So I need to know one eye picking before they start bringing them out one by one. So one pass away, I get at the middle too.
Wonyalionga, Babuti, Synod Office, Regional Hospital Junction, and Bova are some of the areas that were hard hit by the floods of yesterday. The water entered houses unannounced.
Yesterday afternoon, we see where that done. So we enter for sleep for house. As we enter for sleep, we say we light go, we lock door, so we sleep. As we sleep, luckily all will be done on top bed. Breeze come open with door. As we do one stroke, we say we go check door. Go look for down our water, that for down the passage. And we just sit down for that bed. Frustration, no nothing, nowhere to go, no person to call.
Some have been deprived from their homes, while others have lost their source of livelihood.
Homeless, no job, no nothing. As we come on and so this one and so come on, nothing, all things go, all things so far, all things, picking their scooty, all things go. So nothing, so no get as we do, so come on.
The torrential rainfall of yesterday was only a replay of several other incidents of this nature which has recently been frequenting the town of Buea.